Imagine a star much smaller than our Sun. A star that shines quietly for billions or even trillions of years. These tiny cosmic objects may look weak, but they are actually the most common stars in the universe. Today, we are exploring the fascinating world of small stars, how they are born, how they live, and what happens when they finally die. Let's begin our journey into the universe. Small stars are stars that have less mass than our Sun. They are sometimes called red dwarfs because they are smaller, cooler, and glow with a reddish color. Even though they are small, they make up about 70 to 80% of all stars in the universe. Compared to our Sun, they are smaller in size, they produce less heat and light, but they live much longer. Some of these stars can shine for trillions of years, far longer than the current age of the universe. That means many of them that formed early in the universe are still shining today. Just like larger stars, small stars begin their life inside huge clouds of gas and dust in space. These clouds slowly collapse due to gravity. As the gas compresses, the center becomes hotter and denser, forming what scientists call a protostar. Eventually, the temperature becomes high enough for nuclear fusion to begin. This is when hydrogen atoms start combining to form helium. When fusion begins, a new star is officially born. But because these stars have very little mass, their fusion reactions are much slower. This slow burning is what allows them to live incredibly long lives. Small stars live very stable and quiet lives. Unlike massive stars that burn fuel quickly and explode dramatically, small stars burn their fuel slowly and steadily. Inside the core, hydrogen slowly fuses into helium. Because their cores mix material efficiently, small stars are able to use almost all of their hydrogen fuel. This means they can shine for hundreds of billions to trillions of years. For comparison, our Sun will live about 10 billion years, but small stars can live 100 times longer. Another interesting fact is that small stars do not expand into giant stars as easily as larger stars do. They simply continue glowing quietly for an extremely long time. Because small stars burn fuel so slowly, none of them have died yet in the current age of the universe. Scientists predict that when their hydrogen fuel finally runs out, something interesting will happen. Instead of exploding like massive stars, they will slowly transform into blue dwarf stars. These stars will become hotter and brighter for a short period. Eventually, the star will cool down and shrink into a white dwarf, a small dense stellar remnant. Over an extremely long time, that white dwarf will cool further and become a black dwarf, a cold and dark object in space. But this process takes trillions of years, so the universe is still too young for us to see it happen. Small stars may look tiny, but they play a huge role in the universe. Because they live so long, they are excellent places to search for planets. In fact, many exoplanets discovered by astronomers orbit these small stars. Some of these planets might even be capable of supporting life. Since small stars remain stable for billions of years, planets around them could have very long periods to develop life. This makes them extremely important in the search for habitable worlds. So even though they are small and dim, these stars are some of the most fascinating objects in the universe. They outlive giant stars, power distant planetary systems, and may even host life. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember, many of those tiny points of light could be ancient small stars quietly shining across the cosmos. And their story has only just begun.